I'm going to make it TV unit also. Friends, I'm not showing any cutting section. See here, this is my plan actually. So you can understand easily. Cutting section, it is going to increase video length and there is no useful further thing. So everybody knows the cutting and all those things. That is the reason I'm not giving much importance to the cutting section. So this is the way I'm going to do it. So you can see here. So I will take close look. You can see here. So I made here on box, here on box, and here on box. So in center to place setup box and remaining things and all those things. So here two design pots I have given. So two design boxes I have given. You can see here. This is very simple. So anybody can do it this one very easily. So that is the reason I have given this way. So I have provided switchboard provision. This is a old setting only. So, and here the TV unit, and here cable connection, set-top box connection, and here home theater connection. So totally this way. I'm not going to do extra lighting and all those things. This box made with 2 plywoods. I have combined 2 to make it good look. So each one 19 mm. So you can see here one is 19 mm and one is 19 mm. So I'm going to be make it as a door glass. The door will come like glass door, and plan to give black and white combination, but I don't know how it will be. So the background will be either black or white, or front side it will come, front side it will come white color, or white color background, front side black color. So like that one I'm going to be plan it. So this is what my plan. And background plywood, that is also 19 mm. I'm completely using 19 mm plywood to make it strong, and this is completely waterproof and insects proof. That is the thing. I will give later the details of plywood. So everything is costly only, but I'm doing my own. That is the reason I feel it is very low cost. If same design, if you are going to give it to the interior designer, compulsory they will take minimum 80 to 90,000 minimum cost they will take, because of the material cost and all those things. And also you don't know what material they are using, because of on top of the thing it will come sun mica or laminates it will come. So that is the reason you don't know how much, you don't know what kind of material they're doing. But my expectation 22,000. So you can see here right now I have used totally 3 plywoods. You can see here waterproof, very high grade, so waterproof and very high grade pretty material I'm using. So 45 years warranty it is having. So I having invoice copy also. So that is the reason totally 3 plywoods 3,200. Totally I spent around 10,000. Still 10,000 I can spend it. I can so one more 3 laminates will come. So 3 laminates I high cost I'm going to use it. So like Royal Touch I'm going to use, each cost is 3,000 something. So 9,000 will come, and mirror and all those things will come around 3,000 to 4,000. So that's it. So completely totally 20,000 budget I'm completing. So you can easily understand what I am using and what material I'm using and how much cost I'm spending. So that's all guys, this is my first day work. Tomorrow I will update you what I'm doing and how I'm going to be designing it.